right. Hey, everybody. This is Carla with TBA Tax Group, the Boston agency. I wanted to do a quick video to kind of show you guys how the new portal works for the process that we'll go through this year for tax season, make everything running very smoothly. And I think overall you guys will like the new portal. All right, so to access the portal, you go to portal.tbataxgroup.com. If you already have an existing account, you just log in. If you don't remember your password or if you activated and didn't create a password, put your email address and put forgot password. If it says you don't have an account, you can click on sign up, put your information in, and it'll create an account for you. And you click on sign up, put your email address in here. It'll send you a code to your email address that you'll put in. It'll ask you for your name, your phone number, and also what service you're signing up for. Right, but I have already taken the liberty to already create a dummy account, so we're going to use that. And so once I log in, I'll show you guys how it works. So once I get logged in, this is what it looks like. But as soon as you set an appointment, within the 24 hours of you setting your appointment, you'll get several emails. Your email address, your email inbox will look like this. You can start going through the emails to kind of get everything set up. So the very first one says, "Dear Jane Doe, we have created an organizer for you." And so this is something that everybody has to do. So for my current clients, when you come in the office or you're using the app, you have to sometimes put a whole bunch of information. I made it a lot more simpler this year. Once you click on the organizer, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. I'm going to prompt me to sign in again. Once you click on the organizer, I sign in. It'll take me to this page here. And I can actually click on the organizer and it says pending. And I can start putting my information in. So I'll show you guys what that part looks like real quick. I'll just make up the nearest one. Date of birth in here. I'll make up a date of birth. My name is Jane Doe. Patients I work. Phone number. Cell phone number. And it's going to ask me what my cell phone carrier is. AT&T, Verizon, so forth and so on. I'll just put AT&T for now. And then my email address, TBA example 123@gmail.com. Will you be claimed as a dependent on someone else's tax return for this tax year? I'm going to put no, but of course if the answer is yes, you will put yes. My filing status is going to be single for now. Did we prepare your taxes last year? This is very key. This is why I put this part here, because I want to, get rid of all the redundant stuff that we normally have to do. And so if you filed last year, your stuff is already on file. So I'm going to put yes, I did file here last year. It changed up a little bit. Is your mailing address the same as last year? I'm going to put yes. And do you have dependents that you're claiming on your tax return? If you do have dependents that you're claiming on your tax return, you'll click on yes here. And then it's going to ask you, are they the same as last year? If all your dependents are same that you claimed last year, you would put yes. So let's say you have dependents that you claimed last year that you want to claim as well, but you have a new dependent to add. You still put yes, and it's going to ask you here, are there any other dependents? So even if you're going to add an additional dependent, you still can do that here without having to add all of your other dependents that we already have on files information. So I thought that was really important to do. Or if you are switching it up, you put no, they're not the same as last year because you want to take one off and add one to it, so forth and so on. You can just do that as well. But for this example, I'm going to put no dependent, so I won't have to add all the extra information. No dependents for this year period. So it takes away that at the end, so I don't have to enter any dependent information. Here is where I would upload my photo ID. I'll click on add document. I can add it from my device if I needed to, or if you already have a TaxDome account, you can click on TaxDome. From TaxDome, it'll it'll link to your documents that you already uploaded stuff, and you can add your document to this organizer that you already have uploaded. Some of you have already uploaded a lot of information already. You can always access that information using from Tax Zone. I'm going to go next. Which one applies to you? If you are a new client, of course, you would choose new client. If you're a returning client and you used us last year, you would put returning client. Or if you're a returning client but didn't use us last year, but you have in the past, you would choose this one. I'm going to put returning client for now. Did you have health insurance through the marketplace? I'm going to put no for now, but you can actually read that to see if you did have health insurance in the marketplace. It's going to have a place where you can upload your 1095A. As you can see, it's not required to submit this organizer, because some people may not already have their 1095A at the time of filing their taxes, which is completely fine. You have the number here that you can call to get your 1095A information over the phone. All right, I'm going to put no, I did not. Did you live on the Indian reservation during your tax year? For all of my clients who live on the Indian reservation, please make sure you put yes here so we'll know to file this Form 80-340 for your exemption for state taxes. I'm going to put no for now. Have you already scheduled your appointment? If you have, you would put yes, put the date of your appointment and the time of your appointment. If you have not, it's going to ask you, have you been put on our walk-in list? We are only accepting 5 walk-ins per day, Monday through Saturday for tax season this year. So if you are not on the walk-in list, just put no, and we'll know to contact you to get you scheduled. Okay. If you are due a refund, how would you like to receive your refund? Check, direct deposit, prepaid card provided by TBA. If it's direct deposit, it'll prompt you to put your bank name, routing, and account number. Okay. All right. I'm going to put check for number. Did you do anything on the side? So this is like if you had any type of side business, if you had a 1099, NEC, or miscellaneous, or you babysat on the side, you did Uber, delivered to Walmart, you did hair on the side, whatever it is. If you put yes, you did, then after we submit this one, then you'll get a second organizer to put that information. And a lot of you are asking me, well, where do I put my information about my business information? So once you put yes here, it'll send you a second organizer to put your business expenses in that. But I'm going to put no for now. Next, now I get to choose what documents I'm going to upload. Check stubs for advance only, W-2s, W-2Gs, 1099s, college tuition, 1080, mortgage statement, student loan interest, 1095A. We do not need your 1095B or 1095C. Your Social Security income, your daycare or child care statement, your donations or giving statements, or any other statement. And so if you notice, there's nothing here yet. If I click on check stub or W-2 and 1099, I can upload as many documents as I want to from this feature here. If you're using your phone, there's actually a scanner that comes with this app that you can actually scan your documents, or you can just take a picture of them and it'll automatically upload into our system directly to me. You can do as many documents as you possibly want to do. You just take a picture of them, or you can actually, if they're already saved to your device, you can add them from your device. But here it's going to ask me, since I did mark check stub W-2 1099, how many check stubs did you submit? How many W-2s did you submit? How many 1099s? We're doing this feature just to avoid having any documents missing. And so you may have, if you put that you have 3 check stubs, 1 W-2 and 2 1099s, but in your documents that we receive, we may be missing one. We'll know to contact you and say, hey, we're missing an extra check stub, or we're missing an extra 1099. So that's why this feature is here. Once you click submit, you'll get another message that says that we have received your documents, we're reviewing them, getting you ready for your appointment. Please make sure you do this as soon as you get the email, because if we do not have everything within 24 hours of your appointment, we may have to reschedule, because we have so many people we have to do back to back to back. We got to have everything organized and scheduled. I will be the only one doing taxes in my office this year, but I do have a team that will be helping me gather your documents and get everything in the system to prepare you for your appointment. So this is the organizer and things like that, how that works. Okay. All right. Next on the portal, another good feature that I think is awesome to avoid having to call the office, and you cannot get in touch with me during tax season on my cell phone or the office phone, but we have this cool chat feature within your portal. And so you can you'll receive a text message anyway when you first get started. It'll just be from your account manager, either Mike, my husband, or my sister, Melanie. They'll be helping you gather all your documents. So you'll get a message from them initially anyway that says, "Hi, I'm here to help. I'm here to make this process as easy as possible. Don't forget to complete your organizer and upload all of your documents as quickly as possible. If you need any help, don't hesitate to message me back." So if you send a message back, then of course it'll go directly to us like instantly. But you can also, like say you want to send a message, expecting refund. What is my refund status? It is something like that. Which you won't really need to do that, and I'll show you why in a minute. And you send a chat, it's going to go directly to me. And I'm going to pull up on my other screen that you cannot see. And I'll be able to see the chat messages and respond as soon as possible. So what I'll do, now my team will be checking the chat all day, every day, because I'm going to be swamped busy. What I'm going to do is check my chats in the morning and also check my chat in the evening time. But just to show you how quickly it works, let's see. You get a message back instantly. And so the message got message back. So I'll click on it. And this is the response from me, waiting for the IRS. And so you can send a message. Even if you sent the message to this chat, I still will have access to it and be able to respond to you as well. So we can communicate back and forth during tax season without you having to call the office or, have my text messages like swamped. So in the morning time before I start, I'll check all my chats. And at night, if it's not super duper late, I'll check my chats too. So you will get a response from me directly within 24 hours if you send me your message. But you'll also get a response from my team instantly, same day, too, as well. So we can communicate back and forth. If you have any questions, need anything, we can do that as well. If you have any problems logging into your system or your portal, or if you don't have an email address, you still can have a portal created and we can actually send you text messages to upload your documents, answer your questions. And so we should be able to cover everybody in the new system. And so the organizer feels pending because we did not submit it because we didn't upload any documents. But once this is submitted, everything will be completed. Okay. And so you can download the app and have access to this portal from your app, or you can just log in online. But this is the portal, how it works. You guys should be getting you should already have your email by the time you see this video, if you've already scheduled an appointment for this first week that we have coming up. So you should get as soon as you make your appointment after tax season kind of starts, you should have all your emails sent to you within an hour or so. Same day, at least, for sure, same day that you make your appointment. Depends on how busy my team gets. But you also have emails that will tell you that you have a chat available, that you can view your chat. So if we send you a message and you're not in the portal, you'll always be able to check your email to see if we sent you a message or not. And from your email, you can actually click on that and sign into your portal that way as well. And so always continue to check your email addresses and things like that. We also sent you another email that has, a lot of different information on the different things that are going on this year, so forth and so on, just informational purposes only. This is a welcome back email since Jane Doe is a returning client, phone numbers, things like that. You'll also get a message that has a lot of the information as far as like how to contact different places. Like you'll have the number to the IRS, you'll have the number to the tax bank that we use, you'll have the number to a whole bunch of different places. And so a lot of the things we're going to be doing, you'll be using the portal, but you can also check your email whenever there's something updated to your portal. So that being said, I hope that helps. But you guys should already have this in your email by the time you see this video. For those of you who have not, if you want to give our office a call, let us know that you're having trouble with the portal. You can always give us a call, 601-453-5427, and we'll try to get all those kinks worked out. Hope that helps. Looking forward to talking with you guys next week. I'll enjoy the rest of this year. Be safe. Don't do anything crazy. But we'll talk to you guys soon. All right.